Good morning, adventurers. It's 8 AM on the 2nd of August 2025. It's a beautiful, calm morning. There's blue sky on the way. I've come to Strawberry Fields. Mark's already here. I'm going to be fishing dog biscuit and bread as I usually do down the side here where I got that big one 2 days ago. And I'm going to ledger dog biscuit along this margin. I've thrown a bit of bread in over there and there's stuff splashing about at it, so there's nothing on top yet, there's no sunshine on the water, but I would expect to get a few today. Mark's on the swim feeder. He hasn't had anything yet, but he hasn't been here 10 minutes, so not to be expected. But there are fish moving around in that corner where I've just chucked a bit of bread, so I might go up there and have a little stalk before I start with the other rod. We'll see. I've just had a walk around the lake stalking, and whoever was fishing the lily pads yesterday, Friday, take your tin of sweet corn home with you and put it in the bin. You've got to pass the bin on the way out. Don't just leave it lying on the concrete. And whoever was fishing the fallen slab where the snags are, take your can of Sprite or whatever it was and your bag off your bread and put it in the bin on the way home. The place is nicely kept. The last thing we need is people leaving rubbish all over, or they'll end up closing the place. You know who you are, so take your rubbish home with you, please. First fish of the day on, and believe it or not, it's on a piece of bacon. Mark's just given us some bacon that he brought to try, and oh, my hook's out already. My net's full of sweet corn from where I emptied that guy's rubbish before. Look at that. Nice little mirror carp on a piece of bacon. There you go. Yeah, Mark gave me a box of bacon bits. I don't know where he got them from, but it stays on the hook quite well. It always works, so I'll keep trying that. Well, the dog biscuit worked. This was just dangling off the end of the rod, and the rod nearly went in. I don't know how big it is. Are we recording? Yes, we are. At least the blank's going to be off. Not a monster. Scrappy fighter. Come on. Out there, buddy. Couple of pound, what it'll do on the biscuit. Open that out. That's it. Nosing fella. Oh, you're well hooked, aren't you? That's it. No monster, but the blank's off. Jolly good. Just had a slightly better one. That's on dog biscuit. Lovely. Well, this bacon's certainly working well. This isn't a big fish, but on the light gear, good fun. I certainly like a bit of bacon. It'll come in this time. At least it's I just lost one as well that looked and it felt a little bit bigger. Oops a daisy. He's a nice deep little fish. Oop, I'll let you go, bud. If bacon picks out the better ones, that's good. Well, that's something I didn't expect to catch on a piece of bacon. A beautiful little golden rod. Gorgeous, that. Well, typically, I thought I'd put the camera on and I hadn't. But I've just stalked a half decent common out of the corner. So I'm taking a couple of bits of food off the top and decided to go and stalk them. And it worked. You I'd get him. There's Muke, thank you. About £4 or thereabouts. Bonny fish. Shame I didn't get the fight, but never mind. You can't win them all, especially with my camera. There you go, buddy. There you go. No, swim out. That's it. Gone. Stalking in the corner again. This one took us by surprise. The little fish pushed me bread right into the reeds. And at least I think I'll put the camera on this time. Good scrap, I don't think he's that big though. No, a couple of pounds, that's all. Right. I'll have my hook. Thank you. Yeah, he's not very big, is he? A couple of pound, but a couple of pound better than the little ones. Oh, come on. Get your head out, that's it. I've been stalking in this corner for a while on the bread. I've just lost a big one. This is a nice fish. Where are you going? Staying deep. Looking for some reeds to catch us in. Come on, buddy. Not get his head up. Come on, get your head up. That's it. Nice sprightly little mirror, a bit skinny, but ooh, you've been hooked nasty before, haven't you? Yeah. Lovely. £4 or thereabouts. Cracking scrap. Number 4. And I lost the big one. Are you ready? I think so. Turn around. There you go. Lovely. This is definitely a bigger one. Looked like a mirror when it caught and took it. No, not that big. Not that big. Oh, you didn't fight very much, did you? Till you saw the net. Right. Get you on the mat. Well, that's a bit nicer. I'll probably go I'll probably go 4.5, 5. Lovely. They're feeding well under these bushes over there. If you can get the bread under the bushes. Yeah. Right, stay still a second. You stay still a second and get your head out. You're in with a fighting chance. Come the other way. You gone? No, you still haven't gone. Come here. What a stupid fish. It's gone in the wrong direction. That's it. Oh. Had him on. Came off. And again. Yeah, just as well I've got the drag set on bacon. Don't go under that bush. Trouble is with this rod, I cannot really bully them out. I can try. Oh, he's coming. Getting some nice swirls. I don't know what size it is. Not that big. Big enough on a waggler rod though. Where is he? Aye, so I wonder if it's smoked bacon he gives us or normal bacon. Whatever it is, I'll be bringing some more, whatever it is. Come on. I'm only on £4 line, so you've got to be gentle. I go on my lucky mascot. Oh yeah, get your head up, man. It's not even that big. Look. Come on. Get in that. Oh, that's it. I'll tell you what. It's heavy that actually for a little fish. Probably will be £3 or thereabouts. Oh, I've caught him a few days ago. I recognise that scale.
Alright.
Right. There's my hook.
I bet it wasn't on bacon then.
No, it wasn't. It was on a bit of bread. The bunny fish, aren't they?
Yeah.
About £4, you reckon?
Alright.
I would say so. I had one 8.5 a few days ago, and what a fight out of it. Had us all over the lake. You can hardly reach the water with a net at the minute. There you go. Lovely jubbly. This man's my lucky charm. Every time he comes to talk to us, I catch a fish. Well, I think I found my new favourite bait. Bacon. They're going absolutely daft for it. That last fish was on bacon. I've got a size 12 hook, just lying on the bottom with a ½ ounce of lead. As soon as it hits the bottom, they're bang, bang, banging away at it straight away. But that was carp number 6 for the day. I've left that corner for the minute because I lost a big one and he snagged us up. So I'm not expecting the fish to be hanging about there for a little while again. And if I put any bread in, the geese are in the water at the minute, which isn't very good. But we'll keep on trying with bacon and see if I catch any more. Caught some rudd on bacon, which is very unusual. These bloody geese are having a hell of a time. Splashing about, fighting with each other, taking off and landing, diving under the water. Making a right old ruckus. I don't know whether it doesn't seem to be putting the fish off the bait like, but it does your head in the noise I'm making. Well, that's roach on bacon now as well, so they seem to like it as well. Everything likes it, apart from the gudgeon. And it's probably only because I've got too big a hook and I haven't had some of them. I've almost had about 20 of these little carp now on bacon. I absolutely love it. There you go. We're in again. Stalking. Neil's come to witness it. He wants to know how to catch decent fish.
Watching the master.
Number 7 for today. Well, it's not that big. I've had quite a few that size today. Ah, it's bunny. Nice, nice in a garden pond. They can't half scrap for little fish, can't they? Oh yeah, get your head up. That's it. Lovely. Up, stay still. Nice golden, isn't he? Oh yeah. Gives me hook. Oh, yeah, that nearly went in my hand. Nice, a bunny, a real gold, some of them, aren't they?
Did exactly as he said. It was looking.
Yep.
All the fry were there.
Yeah.
As soon as they scattered, boom.
Go. Oh, bloody hell, that's another one of them, isn't it? Well, I'm almost to the point where I'm going to have one last cast. And we all know what happens with me when I have one last cast. I generally catch them then. The trouble is, the little fish are pushing the bread away from where I want them to. That's it, keep pushing it that way. Right into the bushes. If I get the bread under the bushes, there's one now, straight away, look. If the bread goes under the bushes, that's exactly where the carp are hiding. But the little fish keep pushing it out. Push it in. There he is again. He's taking bites out of the bread but not taking it. That's twice he's been up. Common. Oh wait, son, you got to come back up for it again. The little fish have shoved it too far out. You've got to be within about a foot or two of those bushes, otherwise you're getting out. The wind's blowing the wrong way and all, which isn't helping. Right, try again. The carp just taking a piece of bread right at my feet, and I've put my piece of bread there, hoping that he'll come up and take it. Come on, buddy, you've obviously enjoyed that bit. It was literally under the rod top he took it. asking for miracles here, like standing on the side like this. Whoop. Just to show, if you stand quiet. Millions of fry. I think this probably will be the last cast, because it's the last piece of bread that I've got with us down here. I'll just put it there and hope he sees it before the little ones eat it. The hook's on the top, so you cannot see that. Waiting for the little ones to scatter, because that normally means there's a bigger one coming up. But they're showing no signs of it at the minute. There's millions of fry. Absolutely millions of them. The bigger fish tend to be right under the rushes. Oh, it took me bait. Oh well. That was one last cast. Never mind. What a pity. What a canny do though. I've had 7 and nothing massive, about £5 the biggest. Been very little on the top. I have found that fish like bacon, including rudd, roach and carp. And probably my battery's going to die, so I'm going to say bye bye quickly. Bye bye! Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you soon.